Okay, this is Cashier, Naz, part 2 of Haters Better Retreat. We ain't gonna start till the beat kicks in. Okay. Don't start. Don't start till I say start. Remember, keep your voice light. Don't yell.
So you better bow down to your knees. Times my lyrics with double. Fucking with us, you know there's gonna be trouble. So haters better retreat. I put your niggas 6 feet deep, messing with us while we flying to the top of the top. And we ain't gonna stop. Me and Cashier gonna put you in the hospital bed. We get to take shit to the top of the game. You motherfuckers is lame, and you're never gonna go down. We'll fuck you up with the lyrics, how you choke on and not make sound. Cashier.
Yeah, haters better retreat before I put you 6 feet deep. You motherfuckers can't get it done like me, cause you ain't like me. I be coming at you with the lyrical flow. Man, you don't even know how to flow. Sound so sick. I be stepping up to the mic, making my rhyme so tight, feeling pretty light. Yeah, high up the beat, so I suggest you haters better retreat. Bow the fuck down and downright some brand, yeah, something like a bloodhound. Step into me, I'll go for the pound and tell you not make a sound. I'll cut you up, stab you in the back if I have to. Tell your insides leak like a mainstream, and now I'll blow off some steam and I'll whip your ass like whipped cream. I fuck you up with lyrics so bad you would think it's a dream.